Here we have a beautiful 1964 Pontiac GTO. And I know what you're thinking. Is it a real one? Yes, this is absolutely a real GTO. This is not a clone. This car is actually pretty well documented with PHS documents, a copy of the build sheet as well. And I have to tell you, we've over the years have had dozens and dozens and dozens of 64 and 65 GTOs. And I must tell you, this hands down is the highest optioned GTO we have ever had. So while I'm walking around, you can kind of watch the body lines and everything. I'm going to read just some of the equipment that's on this car. First off, of course, it does have the GTO package, which was an option package on these cars back in '64. But listen to this. It's got a power antenna. It's got push-button radio, rear seat speaker, underhood lamp, washer and wiper. As I'm on the back here, you can see it does have backup lights. That was an option, believe it or not. Padded dash, tilt steering wheel, luggage light, so light in the trunk, a lamp in the glove box, under the hood, dome light, courtesy light, parking brake light, power steering, power brakes, custom sports steering wheel, soft ray tinted glass, rear defogger, and get this, it's also got power windows, power seat, air conditioning, factory air conditioning, console, outside rearview mirror, electric clock, transistor ignition, and safety track rear end, also known as a posi-traction rear end. This car is stunning, absolutely stunning, just by the equipment list, and then let alone get a look at the cosmetics of this car as well. The car is shown in its original marimba red with light saddle interior. So this is the way the car was born. The wheels were changed out, I should show you, but over here are the original wheels and caps for the car, along with some extra miscellaneous parts that are going to come with it. So pretty amazing car and a great list of equipment on it. Now let's take a look at it some more. So as I mentioned, it's got the light saddle interior. That's what the car was born with. Very nice restoration on this car. Certainly no bubbles or anything like that along the bottom of the car. There's your power seat switch right there. Power windows. Tilt wheel. This sport steering wheel is one you certainly don't see a lot of, and it is in good shape as well. Factory air conditioning, as I mentioned. Engine turn dash. Just a neat car. They did add some gauges down here just to help keep an eye on things, which is always a good idea. There's the padded dash. There's also a purple binder here full of receipts and things like that go with the car from some of the work that's been done over the years. Naturally, the headliner's in great shape. Oh, check this light out. This is one of the options. So it's not just a dome light, that's the courtesy light. That was an option on this car. Absolutely amazing car. Let's check the other side. You can see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. And there you can see the pictures of the inside, the outside, the underside. And by the way, the underside is extremely solid on this car. I did not immediately see any patch panels or anything like that. There you'll also see on our website, you'll see photos of the build sheet, of the PHS documents, there's a replica window sticker in there. You'll see photos of all of that as well. You want a real deal bulletproof GTO and one of the highest optioned ones we've ever seen. This car is for you, hands down. You can take a look down here too. Again, body lines are good, no bubbles or anything. The rear chrome and stainless, very good condition. All right, I'm gonna open the hood and we'll fire it.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, here's that. And here's the switch for the rear speaker, power antenna. As I mentioned, the gauges, extra gauges down here, good oil pressure as you can tell. Now let's take a look under the hood. Under the hood's a 389 V8. This car, as I mentioned earlier, lots of equipment, power steering, power brakes. It was a factory AC car. It does have an aftermarket compressor on it over here that you can see. But it was a factory air-conditioned car originally. Now in '64, they did not put the VIN number or a VIN derivative on the engine, so you can't 100% have a numbers matching GTO in '64 because they didn't put a VIN number on it. However, everything on this car appears correct from what we are able to tell. And it's got just the perfect sound coming out the back. All right, you can see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Trade-ins are always welcome. Financing is available. And this car does qualify for an extended warranty as well.